Welcome to Ajmera, guys. Ajmera is India's leading realty corporation. It's a multinational realty corporation. Ajmera is a trusted name with 3 generational legacy of 54 years of glorious years, which we have maintained. If we further talk about the achievements of Ajmera, the creators of Mumbai's first mall and world's largest dome theatre. Only Indians creator who ruled the UK market with 5 iconic projects, and further the creators of 100 plus iconic landmarks across 10 cities. The creators of Asia's biggest residential township, that is in Bahrain. Further if we talk about, please come ahead. Now Ajmera is launching with a 2-bed lakeside views. It's a Ajmera Lakeside Paradise. You can see here, which will provide you a lakeside experiential living and achievers address. Now with the same legacy and same value of 54 years, Ajmera is coming into Bangalore, North Bangalore basically, with a new project that is Ajmera Lakeside Paradise. And if we talk about this entire project, this project was launched basically phase 1, wing A and wing B in 2018. It is having 1 BHK and 2 BHK apartments availability. Now we are launching up with the second phase, that is wing C and wing D, which is Ajmera's coming up project. It's a 10.2 acres of the entire project with 80% of the open space, where we have kept this open space for the utilization of a camping area or a bonfire, or you can use it as a pet park or party lawn. Further, we are also providing you with a temperature pool, a swimming pool, which is basically available in 2 CR or 2.5 CR, but within this project we are providing you temperature controlled swimming pool as well. If you are a sports lover, you are also getting here all the kind of sports court, including your multi-purpose court. And here with the amenities, if we talk about, we are providing you more than 40 plus amenities. Further, if we talk about this entire project, if we move ahead, we are providing you 20,000 square feet of the clubhouse, where you will be having multi-purpose hall with a coffee shop. We are having the direct connectivity with Atur Lake, and also we are having direct access with the Atur Lake. Atur Lake is of 105 acres. Now as you can see, we have kept around 3 acres of the entire land as an open space. This is basically the buffer zone, and here no construction will be done. Talk about the amenities area. Amenities has been kept at the center of the entire project, so that it will be very close to each and every tower, and the vehicle movement won't be there. We are providing you with the basement parking, where vehicle movement will be only near the basement and around the towers, not in between the amenities. about the USP of this entire project, as the line is saying, everything you like is what you like, away from hustle bustle of the city, including the pollution of the city, which you don't like, correct? And what you like is, you like the peace, the serenity of this entire project, including, if we talk about this entire location, you can see everything is available very nearby, whether it be a college or a preschool, or if you talk about any temple or a shopping complex, everything is completely available nearby to you. This is what our project USP is. To know more about the project, please visit us, and thank you for watching this.